Andrew, I can start the video, huh?
Yeah.
And
Cool.
let me come and be there and introduce yourself and what we are
Yeah.
going to do today.
Today, my name is Andrew,
Okay.
working with Kivu Tours and Travel Limited.
Kivu Tours and Travel
That's
Limited.
the name of the boat and the
When
name
you
of
have a
the company.
website also there.
Yeah, website is there as well. You can
So-
view from the website anyway.
Anyone, if you wanted to come to Rwanda, Western Province, Kivuye district, in Karongi district, Kivuye the place where we have a beautiful lake Kivu. Anyone can visit, and you have to, whatever you want to say, you can say about this is the medium to explore
It's
the whole
actually
world.
the great place to explore the nature.
Okay.
We have different places to visit, viewing different places,
Yes.
and many islands to see. Swimming cows. Some people like to see the cows swimming.
Hey.
Some people like to see the bats on the island. Some people
Yeah.
like to enjoy on the beach.
Okay.
So we're ready to offer all the activities for the people who want. We continue telling you more about what we do, and from here we start by heading to the island called Napoleon Island.
Napoleon
It's
Island.
the island shaped like the Cap of Bonaparte in French.
Okay.
People call the Bat Island because of the fruit bats on the island, millions of them.
Okay. Okay.
Great view from the top of the island. People like to hike to the top of the island because it's the highest one in the area, so you can see all around Kibuye, all the islands will be under you. You can see Congo side when the cloud is good.
Mhm.
Yeah, more and more and more and more. So I'll be able to explore more about it. Yeah.
Anyone can visit here.
Yeah, anyone you can visit. It's a route. It's a natural place, beautiful place.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's Western Province, Karongi, Kibuye.
Okay, okay. So, people, if you wanted to visit Kibuye, must contact Mr. Andrew. I will put the contact details in description, and he will explore everything, even what you are going to visit, what you are going to find, and what is the package. Everything allowed. And
All
this,
in there.
yes, this guy is there. This is best guide for you. Anything else, and we can just
Yeah,
continue the.
I'll keep telling you more about and yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Cool.
Nice.
Thank you.
Let me get in.
Yeah. You must play inside.
Okay, okay. So now we are in. And Patro Salama. How are you, brother?
I'm fine.
This is our rider. Yeah. So Mr. Andy is coming. I have to.
Kivu tour guide, Kivu tours and guide and driver. So I can do all. He's a guide. He's a boat driver.
Mm.
So he knows all about the lake, even what we offer. Yes.
Yes, yes, I already explored. You just say, tell me your name, brother.
My name is Fidel.
Yes, Fidel.
Yes.
Okay, nice.
I am boat captain.
Yeah, you are boat captain. You are going to visit mostly places, and you are going to visit mostly places, and people are going to enjoy.
Yeah.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
the tour. Enjoy the tour.
So we are heading now.
Hey, do you want to have a life jacket with you, or you say you're good like that? It's good.
It's okay. I can wear it. Even I know the swimming, so
It's good.
it's good.
Much better you put it, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me wear it. Because safety first.
Safety first. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Yeah.
Safety first. If you are going in water, you have to be wear life jacket like Andrew. See,
Safety first.
safety first.
Starting from the way the people fish sambaza,
Okay.
that's they use those three boats combining together,
Okay.
and you can see the wrong trees going out. Sometimes they also put the ropes for them to connect to the nets,
Yeah.
and they lower and waiting for some hours, 2 hours.
And then
Then from there they also own the rights
Yeah.
for detecting the fish.
The
After a couple of 2 hours, they bring the net back, so that way they will be having this.
Okay.
Those are 2 boats, and the brew drums you see in around
Yes, yes.
is for they are growing up the fish, the trapia.
Oh,
That's we call the fish farm.
fish farm, huh? Fish
yeah.
farming, huh?
Fish farming.
By
They are farming
this
the fish inside here.
this blue beetle
Yeah, yeah.
they can use there, huh?
That's for it's like to make the net or these things to be floating.
Yes,
If
yes.
they don't, then the net will go down.
So explain what is sambaja, because some people they did not understand what is sambaja. So sambaja is kind of a small fish we can get from Lake Kivu.
Sambaza is the fish, is the one of the fish we are having in Lake Kivu,
Okay.
and it's the fresh one where you can eat sambaza without removing any bones.
Hey, that one is very good.
Yeah, like
If you-
like if you eat trapia,
Ah.
you will remove the bones. If you
Bones.
eat the catfish, you will remove the bones.
But sambaja, no need.
Sambaza, there's no need to remove the bones. You can eat everything.
Just fry and put some lemon
Yeah.
and amuno and tayari.
Yeah, and sambaza can be fished only during the night.
Okay.
Only in the night time.
Only night time you can
Yeah.
hunt that
Yeah,
fish
yeah,
when the water is labeled, not
When
like
the-
that.
the-
Eh?
It's actually it's dark, but because they use the lights
Yeah.
to detect the fish used to come to play around to the lights.
Yes, yes.
And then when it's lighting, of course, the mosquito will be there. When the mosquito goes in, jump in the water, sambaza will catch.
Ah.
Keep like those games until 2 hours get over, and then start to bring the net up.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you for
So you
information.
continue, yeah?
Yes, yes.